All right, Inza, can you pick the first letter of your name? Where is the first letter of your name, Inza? I. Where is it?
I.
Pick it. Yeah, take it. Good job, Inza. Ayla, can you tell me what is the first letter of your name and where is it? Oh, that is right. Fatma, can you tell me where is the first letter of your name? Can you tell me where is it? Pick it. Can you find it? Yeah, that is right. You're looking at it. Find it. Take it. That is perfectly right.
Yeah.
Ishan, can you find the first letter of your name? Ishan, pick it. Yes, that is right. E. Your name starts with E. All right. Now have submitted, not this one.